To utilise solar features and load balancing features on your EV charger, you will need to install a CT clamp. Please note, this video is for installers only. When installing a CT clamp, it is important to ensure the arrow is pointing in the correct direction, with the arrow pointing towards the EV charger as shown here. Clip your CT clamp over the live wire in between the main fuse and the fuse board. Point the arrow in the direction of the EV charger and connect the twisted pair wire into the EV charger. The arrow direction is important as it detects the current flow. Once the CT clamp is installed, there are a few settings you need to switch on, either in the app or on the laptop. We will now be looking at the settings in the app. Commission your EV charger using the app, and in the settings menu, change the following parameters. Enable power allocation charge. Choose CT as the external current sampling method and set the external monitored max input power. Solar mode has 3 options: Fast, Eco and Eco Plus. Fast charges the car using mains only. Eco charges the car using solar and mains. Solar can only be used up to 3.6 kilowatts. Eco Plus charges the car using solar only, but won't charge until you are generating 6 amps. If you have battery storage in your property, the car won't charge until the battery is full. You can adjust your settings using a laptop. In a web browser, go to 192.168.1.5 and enter password to access the parameter settings menu. In this menu, you can enable the power distribution charge, choose the load balance type, and input the max input power. You will then be able to utilise all solar features and load balance your Project EV charger effectively. For further support, check out our website, which features more tutorials, user manuals, datasheets, and further information on your chosen charger.